Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2025 Kenworth Pickup Truck. Kenworth, renowned for its legacy in heavy-duty trucking, is making a groundbreaking entry into the pickup market with the unveiling of the 2025 Kenworth Pickup Truck. Combining the robust engineering of a big rig with the versatility and style of a pickup, this new model represents an exciting evolution for the iconic brand. Heavy-duty design with pickup versatility. The 2025 Kenworth Pickup Truck blends tough construction with sleek styling. Bold look, a grille inspired by Kenworth's classic trucks, enhanced with aerodynamic features. Strong build, reinforced frame for heavy loads and tough terrain. Premium style, chrome accents and high-end finishes give it a unique, polished look. Power and capability for any job. Kenworth brings its heavy-duty expertise to the pickup world. Engine options. Choose a powerful diesel engine for maximum torque or a hybrid for better fuel efficiency. Top-tier towing. Leading towing and payload capacity for work and recreation. Advanced suspension. Smooth on roads but tough enough for off-road challenges. Comfortable and smart interior. The cabin combines luxury and practicality. Driver-friendly design, easy-to-use controls, and an intuitive dashboard. High-quality materials, leather seats, wood trim, and soft lighting for a premium feel. Modern tech includes wireless connectivity, advanced driver assistance features, and a high-tech infotainment system. Built-in safety and convenience. Kenworth has loaded its pickup with innovative safety features. 360-degree cameras, better visibility for towing and parking. Semi-autonomous driving makes highway driving easier and safer. Enhanced brakes, built for stopping heavy loads effectively. Options for every need. The 2025 Kenworth Pickup Truck comes in multiple configurations. Standard model, durable and reliable for work. Luxury edition, extra comfort and upscale features for long trips. Off-road package, lifted suspension and skid plates for adventurous drivers. Available mid-2025. Launching in mid-2025, the Kenworth Pickup Truck is set to redefine heavy-duty pickups. With its bold design, powerful performance, and luxurious features, it's more than a truck, it's a statement. The 2025 Kenworth Pickup Truck, built for strength, styled for success, and ready to lead the way. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.